Natural rock formations in the shallow part of the sea create a mesmerizing and underwater landscape. These structures are sculpted by years of wave action and erosion, the range from smooth rounded stones to jagged outcrops. They serve as vital habitats for marine life, providing shelter and feeding grounds for a variety of species. The interplay of sunlight filtering through clear water illuminates these formations, revealing their vibrant colors and textures, and offering snorkelers and divers an enchanting glimpse into the ocean's hidden beauty. Drone footage of Iraqi coastline reveals stunning aerial views of rugged cliffs, crashing waves, and hidden coves. The video captures the raw beauty and intricate details of the landscape, showcasing the dynamic interaction between land and sea and offering a unique perspective on coastal wilderness. Hiking the Lanikai Pillbox in Hawaii offers breathtaking views of turquoise waters and the Makulua Islands. The trail is steep but rewarding, leading to historic World War II. A beautiful natural waterfall cascades down rugged cliffs, its water sparkling in the sunlight. Surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flora, the waterfall's soothing sounds create a serene atmosphere. Mist rises from the base, adding a mystical touch to the scene. This breathtaking spectacle of nature invites visitors to marvel at its majestic and tranquil beauty. Rock formations are the fascinating results of geological processes spanning millions of years showcase nature's artistry. They are shaped by forces such as erosion, weathering, volcanic activity, and sediment deposition. Each formation tells a unique story of Earth's history, revealing layers of sedimentary rock, intricate folds, and dramatic cliffs. Iconic examples include the towering spires of Utah's Bryce Canyon, formed from an erosion, and the Giant's Causeway in northern Ireland, characterized by its striking hexagonal basalt columns from ancient volcanic activity. The Wave in Arizona displays stunning patterns carved by wind erosion on sandstone. These formations not only capture the imagination with their beauty but also serve as important records of geological time, offering insights into past climates and environments.